Hello everyone, welcome back. See practice set 16.2, question number 2. Find the total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum and its diameter is 50 centimeter, height is 45 centimeter and the value of pi is given 3.14. So first of all we will write down the solution. In solution we will write down the given data, that is D for diameter, that is given 50 centimeter, then H height 45 centimeter and the value of pi, that is 3.14 is given. Now as you know that radius is equal to half of diameter. Diameter is given 50 centimeter, half of 50 is equal to 25 centimeter. We had taken out here radius, that is 25 centimeter. Now we have to find out total surface area of cylinder, and you know that formula of total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r in bracket r plus h is equal to 2 into pi means 3.14 into radius 25, r radius 25 plus height is given, that is 45 centimeter. Okay, 3.14 into 50 into 70. When we all multiply this, we got 157.00 into 70 and finally we got the answer 10990 square centimeter. Means finally you have to write down the total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 10990 square centimeter. Okay, now in third question, find the area of base and radius of a cylinder if its curved surface area is 660 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. In solution we have write curved surface area, that is 660 square centimeter, height 21 centimeter, and we have to find out the area of base and radius of the cylinder. First of all we will take out the area of base. Is equal to area of circle. Formula is pi r square. Means here radius is important. That's why first of all we will find the radius of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Surface area is given, that is 660 square centimeter is equal to 2 into pi, value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7 into, we have to find out the radius r into h, height is given, that is 21 centimeter. Therefore r is equal to, when we simplify this, r is equal to 660 divided by 132. Okay, therefore 5 are 660, therefore r is equal to 5 centimeter. Now with the help of this r we will take out the area of base. And as you know that area of base is equivalent to the area of circle. Why? Because the base of cylindrical is circular in shape. That's why area of base is equal to pi r square is equal to value of pi we can take here 3.14 into 5 into 5 r square means 5 into 5 means 3.14 into 5 5 is 25. When we multiply we got the answer 78.50 square centimeter. And finally we can write two sentences. First sentence is the radius of the cylinder is 5 centimeter and second is area of base is 78.50 square centimeter. Okay, got it. Thank you.